Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi Redmi 10 and I will show you a couple of camera tricks. At the first, I'm going to start from the best features that we can find in the settings right here, and after that I will smoothly move to the modes like photo, video, pro mode, and this additional that we can find in the more modes. So let's open the settings, and at the first we can quickly add watermark to the photos. We can add time and date stamp and device watermark. You have to tap on the features. Also, you can add your own signature. Take a look how it works. Let me just take photo. And on the left bottom corner, you will find mark with your device and also your signature. And on the right bottom corner, you will find date and the time. If you want to turn it off, just do the same. So tap on the switchers. Another option that we can find right here, it's the volume button function. Currently is set up on the shutter countdown. So take a look. When you press volume up or volume down button, you can take photo with short delay. You can change this option. You can set on normal shutter or for zooming. Let's switch for zoom. I will show you how it works. So press volume up to zoom in. As you can see, we can smoothly zoom to the 10 times and zoom out by pressing volume down button. So we can decide if you want to use zoom, shutter, or maybe shutter with the delay. I honestly stay with the zoom feature. We can also use focus and the shut option. So when you sometimes hold your phone like that and you cannot reach this shutter, you can just press on the screen, press another time, and the photo will be taken. So we can decide how we can take photos. Oh, I just misclicked. Let's go back for the settings. Let's take a look what we can find here. I'm gonna turn off this focus and the shut option, I don't need it. We can also turn off shutter sound. So right now when you take photo, you cannot hear that sound. Okay, and that's all from the settings. When you tap on these three horizontal lines, we can quickly add the grid lines to the screen. As you can see right now, they appear right here. And they help us to take better composition on the photos. Then another option that we can use is the shutter delay. We can set 3, 5 or 10 seconds. When you choose 3 seconds and press shutter, the photo will be taken after 3 seconds. I'm going to turn it off. We can also quickly change brightness level on the photos by tapping on the screen and moving this sun icon to the bottom to decrease or to the top to increase brightness level on the photos manually. You can also adjust brightness level automatically by tapping on the screen. When you tap right here on this icon, you will be able to open the Google Lens. Of course, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network or mobile data. And right now, if you are looking for something, for example, I would like to find this picture. So you have to take a look. You have to just put your camera in that object, and when you get this highlight, blue highlight on this object, you have to press on the shutter, and you will find the exact things on the internet, the lookalike pictures and other stuff. You can also make the translate texts, homework, you can go for the shopping. So if you want to buy, for example, this smartphone, Xiaomi Redmi 10, you can just do the same. So point to the box and there you will find the products, the same products. We can buy the Redmi 10 for the eBay, on the eBay for example, or AliExpress. So as you can see, Google Lens is very useful feature. When you move for the video modes, we can do the same with this brightness level. When you tap on this lines, we can also enable and disable grid lines. You can decide. Here we can find the Pro mode, where we can adjust all the parameters manually, like white balance, focus, shutter speed, ISO, EV, and also we can change lenses. When you tap on this information icon, you get great description of a very feature that you can find right here. So if you don't know what is going on, how to set up, just read the text. We can also go for the more modes, where we can find 50 megapixel mode. Right now, let me show you the difference. So I will take photo of this box that I can find in the corner with the 50 megapixel mode and without. And we are going to compare two photos. Okay, let's take a look. This photo was taken with the normal mode and it looks like that. Not that bad, we can spot some details, but we cannot read this sticker data. So when you go for the 50 megapixel mode, right now you can zoom definitely closer, and right now you can read. There's the importer name, Xiaomi technology, importer address. So basically we got more details with this mode. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.